Now, how will you feel after struggling to grow your YouTube channel for many years, getting low views, and finally going viral on one of your videos and earning a lot of money? And YouTube will finally come and tell you that, hey, we have demonetized your channel just like that for doing nothing wrong. And so you are going to lose all the money you have earned. Now, this is what YouTubers are going in right now. Now, if you check my screen right now, this is a faceless AI channel that belongs to one of my students, right? And she recently went viral. You can see 100,000 views here. Now, let me come to analytics. You're going to see 100,000 views. You understand? Finally, she went viral and made a lot of money on this particular video. And YouTube is saying that we have demonetized your channel just like that for doing nothing wrong. Now, there's this thing about YouTube that I don't understand. They'll always wait for you to struggle, get the 0 views, the 1 views, the 2 views, 3 views, 10 views, 100 views, 50 views. They won't have any problem with you. Immediately you start blowing up or you start going viral, that is when they will come with an email that you have gone against their policies. Now, I don't know whether you have experienced this before, but I have experienced this before on my main channel. There was a time one of my videos was performing very well, and all of a sudden, YouTube came telling me that this video is going against their policies, and so they removed my video. Now, I don't understand why YouTube has been doing this. They wait for you to struggle. Once you are blowing up to gain some money, then they come to you with a lot of policies. I don't understand. Now, let me come to this section and show you something right here. Now, I'm actually going to show you what happened, the real reason why they demonetize it, right? But before that, this is what I want you to understand. You see, when you come down here, you can see that her views were actually low. You can see 800 views, you can see 200 views, 500 views, 57 views, 100 views, 200 views, 118 views. With all these low views, YouTube didn't see anything wrong with her channel. She was monetized, making some coins, cents, right? Little amount of money, which cannot even buy water to drink, you understand? And YouTube was happy with it. But immediately, she got her first viral video, 100,000 views. 100,000 views is not a small amount of views. And this video is actually an interesting video. I've watched this video. It's interesting. You can check the channel name and then come and watch this video. It is very interesting. Immediately this video went viral, YouTube brought a message that you have been demonetized. Now, if you have been to this situation before where YouTube has demonetized your channel after going viral, let me know in the comment section and tell me what you actually did, and do you think if this is fair, right? Now, so this is what actually happened. One day I was there when this lady, she's called Lisa, she sent me a message that, see what YouTube is telling me, my channel has been demonetized, right? And then if you read, it says that our team of specialists have reviewed your channel. Always our team of specialists. Who are those specialists who like demonetizing people like that? We have found that some of your content are not in line with the YouTube partner policy, and so you are not eligible to monetize, blah 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 blah. You understand? And you can see your channel is not currently able to earn, right? What happened? Inauthentic content, right? Now, I understand that currently YouTube is demonetizing a lot of channels because of inauthentic content. Yes, I understand that. But I don't want to even talk about that. What I want to talk about is, why does YouTube always wait for you to go viral before they demonetize you or before they pounce you with issues? You understand? That is my problem. And now when she got demonetized, she also actually made a big mistake, you understand, which she shouldn't have done. Now, let me show you the mistake she did. Now, if we come to this section here that says earn, you can see that your channel is currently not able to earn, and it is due to inauthentic policy, right? They says the videos are mass produced or repetitive without adding significant or educational value. You understand? And currently, she is really putting a lot of effort in her videos. So the mistake she made was that she actually immediately YouTube sent her a message that she has been demonetized. She went on to delete some videos that she thought was what made YouTube to come up with this particular email that she's demonetized, right? But the mistake she made is that she shouldn't have done that. She should have gone ahead to appeal, showing YouTube how she has been creating her videos. You understand? And immediately you do that, there are high chances that you will be accepted back. If you are not accepted back, then you can come back, delete some of your videos, and then create new ones that you think are very good. And if you check from here, because she deleted some of the videos, right? Now the watch hours has reduced from 4,000 to 3,575. It means now she needs about 500 more watch hours. You understand? If she wants to apply for monetization again. But if she had appealed, right? Yes, there are chances that she would be monetized. So now, if you check our conversation that we're having here, this is what I told her.
One thing about YouTube is that when your video is going viral, that is when they will see fault on your channels. They have hit you with this demonetization because of your video that is going viral. You have to appeal. You understand? You have to appeal. Tell them that you create the videos yourself and it is original. So I'll send you an appeal video. And then you watch it and then the appeal will accept you again.
Yes, this is what I told her to do, right? When she sent me the message that she has been demonetized, right? Because most of the time, some of these faceless AI channels, when you are demonetized and you appeal, showing them how you come up with your script, how you edit your video, how you post it, how you do everything, they give you your monetization back. You understand? But when I sent her this message, not knowing she had already deleted about 3 videos already. And the policy is that when you delete the videos, some videos on your channel, you can no longer appeal. You understand? You can no longer appeal. You have to wait for 1 month's time before you apply for monetization again. You understand? And remember that those videos you deleted, you are going to lose the watch hours for those videos. You get me? You can see here, but I have 3 videos deleted yesterday after I saw the suspension. Hope it won't cause any problem. And listen to my response.
Oh, once you've deleted 3 videos from your channel, you can't appeal. You can't appeal.
So once you've deleted videos from your channel, you can't appeal. So this is a mistake she made, because as we're speaking, there are possibilities that she would have been monetized back if she had not deleted the video and then she appealed. You understand? So if you're watching me right now and you faced this issue before, what you have to do is to appeal. You understand? But if you are rejected, then you can go ahead and then make some tweaks to your video. Now, I don't want to even talk about the inauthentic policy in this video. My main problem is that I don't understand why YouTube always comes hard at you when you are going viral or when you are blowing up on YouTube. This is the main why I'm doing this video. I don't understand. Tell me in the comment section why you think YouTube has been doing this, because I don't understand. Now, I feel very sad for her because she started her YouTube channel 2 years ago. I'm the very person who helped her to monetize her YouTube channel 2 years ago. And since she got monetized, her revenue has been very, very low because of the low views she has been getting. And finally, her hard work came to a realization, and she has been able to get 100,000 views. And immediately after getting the 100,000 views, YouTube is saying, no, you have been demonetized. All right. Now, before I go, if you are struggling to get 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel, I can help you get it within just 7 days to 21 days. You understand? And you don't need to worry. All you have to do is that get my step-by-step tutorial right now. I have a step-by-step tutorial, a course, right, where I show how it is done step by step. So all you have to do is to just watch it and then apply it. So if you're interested in it, check the link in the description. You are going to get access to the course automatically. Watch it and trust me, you are going to get your 4,000 watch hours in 7 days to 21 days. And it is not free, by the way. So before you click on the link, make sure you are aware that it is not free.